Alright, this part of the demonstration shows you how to put air in the cannon. So I have just a regular air chuck like you'd use for a bicycle tire or a car. And I have a small donut compressor I got from Sears. So I'm just going to put the end of the chuck in here, pop it in. Pull off my little cap there, put it in my pocket so I don't lose it. And I'm going to pressure the cannon up to between 60 and 80 psi. It only takes a couple seconds. You can see the air gauge right here will tell us how much air we have in it. About 2 seconds gives you about 80 pounds of pressure for air. We already have our tennis ball or t-shirt or whatever we want to shoot out of the cannon. Grab the trigger, aim it whatever you want, and fire. There you go. Easy 100-yarder. This is Mick from American Air Cannons. Happy shooting.